Let's talk a little bit about the agent support and leveraging AI. Give us a little bit of a feel for that capability and how the agents, and we've spoken before about bringing AI into a customer service land can be fraught with danger. There's always a little bit of concern that AI is going to take my job. We see that in the news every day. But tell us a little bit about that implementation of that agent side of Copilot and maybe some of the challenges and what you've seen, hopefully some of the improvements.
Well, you mentioned at the beginning of the piece when we're talking about the team underneath me, and our people are great. They're great at what they do. There's inefficiencies in the way that we operate at times, but that'll be improved over the period of time. So valuing that human factor, it cannot be diminished from anything that we do. In fact, maintaining employee satisfaction is an OKR, and that satisfaction with the AI tools as we introduce it. That's a fundamental guiding principle of the CX organization. We framed AI and we continue to believe that it is an efficiency enabler. It augments the ability the agents have to help them work and help engage with our clients. It means working smarter rather than replacing their roles. That's what it is. And there's no denying that approach. The approach that we've taken here is we're empowering our agents to focus on more complex issues, really change our motive from reactive support ticket handlers to knowledge fosterers, creation of knowledge articles. So that's what AI has enabled us to do. And that's the Copilot tool, which sits inside the Zendesk application. That's just about enabling these features as well. I think Copilot itself is fantastic. I'd love to understand more of how we can leverage even more of it. But we have a clear SOP around ticket triage that heavily implements Copilot usage in terms of past resolutions, knowledge-based article provisions. All of this information almost diminishes the requirement we have around skill-based routing when the internal tools are surfacing up the solutions before you've even read the first two lines of what the client's asking about. So it's a powerful tool, and it sort of firmed for me as the foundation of everything we wanted to do with AI, and it gave us an ability to dip our toe in the pool before we put it in front of our clients and their guests.